Okay, today is Wednesday, January 20th. It is approximately 10 after 4. We are performing a sewer scope inspection at 3476 West Center Avenue. We're accessing the main sewer line through the toilet here in the main floor bathroom. And we intend to run from this point all the way to the tap into the city main line, which we believe is out in the alley. So here at 8 feet, this is our transition between the black ABS pipe and the cast iron, which we saw in the basement is on the west wall of the basement. And so we're exiting the foundation now and heading out towards the yard. And as you can see here, we have a very significant concern. This is a very significant offset joint. This is looks like it's a transition between cast iron and clay, and so the distal pipe is the clay. The pipe that we are in, the camera is in, is cast iron, and that is a very significant offset, which certainly can cause blockage, and we may not be able to even get the camera to go past that joint. So I'm going to pull the camera back out, see if I can remove the protective shield, and see if we're able to sneak by this offset so we can continue on. Okay, so as you can see, we have made it past that offset joint, and we are in clay pipe now. You can see here, very typical for clay, we've got significant root growth coming in at joints, so that would certainly need to be cleaned. But that offset back there at 10 feet, that will definitely need to be repaired. That's not acceptable. We'll continue on, see if we can go all the way out. So as you can see there, it looked like we had a little bit of a low spot or water standing in the pipe, and it looks like it's because we have another little offset joint right there, and so the camera has to step up over that offset. So that's still within that general area that I would recommend having that repaired at the same time. So right here at 25 feet, it looks like we have a little bit of crack in that pipe, the distal pipe there after this joint. The way that these clay pipes fit together, the pipe that the camera is sitting in now is the male end, and the distal pipe is the female end, so there's an overlap where that pipe slips into a little fitting there. Sometimes if there's downward pressure on the pipe that the camera's sitting in, it can put pressure on that fitting and crack that, and that's probably what's happened here. This is not a real significant problem. So as you can see, after we're a ways out there in the yard, probably out right towards the alley, the pipe is making a turn to the right, and the camera's just not able to make that turn. There's some sludge buildup on the pipe there, and I think it's just burrowing into that and not able to make that turn. So my recommendation would be to have that section at 10 foot, that offset joint, repaired. The one just beyond that with the crack in it, at the same time have that repaired as well. Then during that repair process, I would recommend having the line cleaned, the rest of the line cleaned to clear the roots out, and then have a camera run the rest of the length out to verify the remainder of the pipe. I think it's probably just a few more feet to the tap into the city main line, but I would recommend having that rescoped just to verify the remainder of the line is in good shape.